Are you looking for the best shed for home gym? In today's video, we're gonna explore top 5 shed for home gym that we have found through our entire research process. We made this list based on 5 things, such as shed size, shed materials, placement, design, and quality warranty. There are many types of shed for home gym that may be the best, but sometimes they didn't fulfill your requirements. The Lifetime 60079 Outdoor Storage Shed is our most recommended pick for its overall features and real user feedback. We will go into the deep overview in the next, but if you hurry, let's have a quick look at the quick comparison table. Here you can easily compare the top 5 shed for home gym. We tried to show you some great features that may fulfill your requirement and some of the limitations of these products. If you find this table helpful, be sure to give us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We have added all the products link in the description box below. If you are interested in any of them, feel free to check them out. All of the listed products are available on Amazon. Now let's go to the deeper section of this buying guide. At number 1 is the Lifetime 60079 Outdoor Storage Dual Entry Shed. Lifetime is a brand that, in comparison to most other brands, has more features and options in its storage sheds. As a direct consequence of this, their toughness, durability, and feature set are superior to what is typically expected of a regular shed. Lifetime sheds are an excellent option for your very own personal gym because of this very reason. Our top recommendation is the Dual Entry 60079 model for a good reason. In addition to having access from the front and the side, you also have the option of choose which side the entrance should be on. Although it takes a small number of workers to put together, the process can be completed in a single day. When it is finally put together, this long gym shed will provide you with shatterproof windows, skylights, and huge doors for convenient access to the inside and exterior. Additionally, the height is suitable for conventional racks, and there are storage shelves provided to keep resistance bands and weights out of the way and out of sight. You can easily store everything you need within the majority of gyms, and there is plenty of extra space for practically every workout you could ever want to do. The one drawback to this scenario is that the enormous unit will call for a flat, level surface as well as the installation of a floor. It is recommended that it be installed on a slab of concrete. However, it can also be installed on joists made of 2x4s or 4x4s in plywood. This is the perfect option for you if you want to replace your gym membership with an outstanding shed gym and you're shopping for one. At number 2 is the Arrow W1012 Storage Shed. One of the most well-known names in the field of outdoor construction is the Arrow brand. They provide sheds that are suitable for any usage and are long-lasting, dependable, and require little upkeep. The W1012 model has a length of 12 feet and provides you with more inside workout area than the majority of other metal sheds. You will have a large opening of 55 inches to bring in your equipment. However, you will be responsible for installing the flooring in the gym shed on your own. It is recommended that the shed be set up on wood or concrete because this will allow you to more easily fasten your power rack and benches to the subfloor of the shed. However, due to the fact that this gym shed is constructed out of steel and there are no skylights, you will require additional fans or a portable air conditioner in order to keep the air moving and maintain a comfortable temperature. On the other hand, because it comes with an industry-leading 12-year warranty, you won't have to worry about it rusting, breaking down, or being infested by insects during that time period. When you are finished with your workout, simply lock the doors behind you and cleaning and assembling the machine is as simple as that. The durable structure and low-maintenance mechanism make this possible. At number 3 is the Lifetime 60127 Outdoor Storage Shed. Lifetime makes its way back onto our list with the most premium model of the gym sheds they offer. This long shed features a roof that is high enough for pull-ups and jumping exercises, giving you more than 20 feet of space to work out. Because it must be installed on a solid and level surface, there's no danger of the floor becoming dislodged. In order to mount it, you will need a slab made of concrete or strong wood. And if you don't already have one, you may also need to obtain a permission for the job. You may be sure that it will last a long time because it is manufactured by Lifetime. Nevertheless, it also includes a multitude of creature amenities such as aesthetically beautiful siding and shutters, windows, skylights, hooks, shelves, and braces. Other characteristics include these. For an additional layer of protection, both the walls and the doors are constructed out of steel reinforced panels. Both doors are equipped to accommodate padlocks. and the inside doors can be mounted on either the left or the right side of the unit. You won't need to put in much effort to transport all of your exercise equipment into the gym shed because it has extra large doors and an upright walking entrance. You can also mount a power rack and cages to the steel beams, but this will take some drilling and possibly some additional bolts. With a warranty that lasts for 10 years, you may have peace of mind knowing that your investment is safeguarded. At number 4 is the Suncast 8x10 Heavy-Duty Storage Shed. The Suncast Tremont Shed is designed to accommodate heavy equipment, such as tractors and lawnmowers, among other such items. There shouldn't be any issues with it functioning as your backyard gym shed if you invest in some additional flooring options. The reinforced resin walls already come equipped with windows, and the roof is outfitted with skylights to further facilitate the entry of natural light. When you want to bring in your equipment, the wide double doors also open, which makes for convenient access. In addition, there will be a padlock that has already been installed for you so that you can secure the area after you are through. It does require additional ventilation, therefore, installing a modest heater in the winter and a fan to move the air will be of great assistance in meeting this requirement. In spite of the limited space available for shelving, it should not be difficult to install container storage in this outdoor gym shed. Additionally, it works very well for treadmills, benches, and free weight gyms. However, if you have Smith cages and squat racks, the walls won't be strong enough to support mounting the racks on them. In situations like these, you will need to construct additional support beams. However, you already receive more than what the vast majority of other storage sheds offer when you purchase this one because it comes with a flooring material that is resistant to wear and tear and a warranty that is good for 10 years. This is a wonderful beginning to a growing gym solution, and it is a good choice of gym shed for individuals who have a limited amount of room available to them. At number 5 is the Storboss Mountaineer MHD Storage Shed. Another Aero model completes our selection of automobiles. The CH-1020 is the greatest large metal shed currently available on the market, and it is an excellent choice for use as a gym shed. This shed is made entirely of steel, making it more long-lasting than some garages. It is constructed entirely of steel that has been hot-dipped and boasts double reinforcement, enamel coating, and all-steel trusses. You won't have to worry about fading, chipping, or rusting for many years to come because to the robustness of the roof, which can withstand the weight of snow and rain without flinching. In point of fact, this unit is backed by a guarantee that is the longest in its category at 15 years. It is also secure and was meant for farm equipment, autos, and goods for lawn care. So having a home gym in this space is not only possible but practically inevitable. You may place Smith cages, a power rack, and benches in this gym shed on any support, and you won't have to worry about stability. However, in order to install it, you will need a level and stable slab. In addition, the concrete surface needs to be completely level, otherwise, assembly will be extremely difficult. It is strongly suggested that you work with a qualified individual to have a slab poured for this gym shed if you do not already possess one that is sufficiently large or level. When everything is finished, however, the 8-foot double swing doors will open to grant you entire access. At the end, it is important to remember that worrying about money doesn't actually do anything to help. Instead, it can actually lead to more anxiety and stress. So the best way to stop worrying about money is to take some time for yourself, relax, and let go. Finally, remind yourself that you can always fix things if they get too tough.